Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cartoon Jason Voorhees, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. It's going to be simple, completely easy, and for beginners, okay? So if that's you, stick around for this like 5-minute video. Really easy. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to curve for the top of the mask. Go over here on the left side, curve over here, go on this side, curve over here. And I'm going to close it off. Basically, it looks like an egg shape, right? For the most part. I'm going to go down, draw this square at the bottom. That's going to be his cartoon-like body. Leg right here. Leg on this side. Line across, down over here, out, flat. Down over here, out, flat. Filling in the bottom right there for the shoes. Okay, so far so good, right? Line over here for the arm. Get that square arm here. Line over here as well for this arm. Circle. Square at the base. Line up, out, down, curve in, curve underneath, line right here, trying not to make it line up with the legs because I want to make it like he's wearing that jacket. So, and I'm going to fill in the middle part right here. Very, very simple stuff, right? After this, circle for one eye, circle for the other eye, and I'm gonna fill it in right here, fill it in right here, right? Real simple stuff, really easy stuff so far, right? Super easy. Hit the like if this is super easy, okay? Hit that like. Gonna go right here at the top, square at the top for the latch, kind of where the mask is. Over here the same. Dot right there. Dot right here for kind of the holes, right, for the hockey mask. 2 more dots between that. 2 going straight up over here. 2 going straight up over here. 3 on his cheek. 3 on his other cheek. Dot, 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 down. It's a lot of dots, pretty much. And then 2 off in that far end, 2 off in the far end. Okay? So now I'm going to grab a red anything, red marker, red crayon, anything. I'm just going to grab a red marker right here, and I'm going to kind of put in a line right here. It's kind of an arrow, right? You see that aiming at him? Go over here on this side, same thing. Don't forget to check out the store, by the way, the shop. We're gonna have Halloween stickers pretty soon. Go check out the shop. It is on I'll put the link below. It's on sketchingeasy.com. Check out that shop. And the arrow down in the middle here, that's incredibly important right here, right? Because that kind of creates this whole look. Let's give his outfit a little bit of, since we're doing this, I might as well give his outfit a little bit of color. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's, you know, dark brown. I'm gonna give it a purple, even though I know that's like a thing, right, in the video game version of him, but that's fine. This is not a reference to that, but the purple's pretty dark. Right there, it's pretty dark. I should get a light purple, but I'm gonna do that for the jacket, and then I'm gonna get a light purple for the pants, honestly, if I can find a light purple. Yeah, I found a light purple for the pants. The stuff with a knife, that's all gonna be gray. So gray right here for the knife. Or the machete, and then gray over here for the latches that are kind of around his face. And then finally, I'm going to give it a thick line around the entire contour of him. So basically around the outer edge, I'm going to give a little bit of a thicker line. Just to establish that. Line over here. Given that thicker line in order to kind of make him look a little bit more like a sticker, right? All right, and there you go. That is a kind of more animated version of Jason Voorhees. If you want to get creative, you can always draw a background. So a couple of things. Number one, if you want a beginner drawing lesson on all drawing, let's just say you have a shaky hand and wiggly line, go to sketchingeasy.com and click on the dragon. Okay, when you click on the dragon, it's going to give you kind of a better plan on how to do that. It's going to give you a much better way to what's it called? It's basically beginner drawing lessons. So I'll give you an example. When you're drawing, let's say you're writing, right? When you write, you're kind of just anchoring your hand like this, right? The range of motion is small. But when you're drawing, I'm doing this. See how that's different? I'm like moving at my elbow and my shoulder also right now. It's a different range of motion, and some people don't have control of those muscles. So what I want to do is, get you to get over that really fast, because it only takes like a couple weeks to get over that, but people will never get over that sometimes because they don't know. They'll like carry this habit the whole time, and it's going to infect the rest of your drawing from like the rest of your career. So you want to get rid of that like the first month or two, is the lack of control. That's kind of what I do on that beginner course, because drawing is two things. Drawing is or knowing the knowledge of what to do, but it's also the ability to actually put it down. And the ability part's so easy to master, like so fast. Go check out those exercises. I made a bunch of exercises. Go over there right now and check them out, okay? Very, very important. And you can even show me the stuff that you do. So thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, and I'll see you very, very soon. But yeah, happy Halloween. Say hi to me in the comments, by the way. We're going to have an amazing Halloween. I'm so excited, and I'll talk to you soon, all right? See you later.